Beauty Skincare DIY Rice Powder Face Pack for Skin Brightening. 2 spoon rice flour. 1 spoon honey. Honey seeps into the skin and conditions it, making it soft and smooth. 2 spoon yogurt. Yogurt helps reduce dark circles because it has anti-inflammatory properties. 2 spoon rose water. Rose water for skincare is also highly effective in treating oily, acne-prone skin. Mix well. Prevent skin aging. Reduce the harmful effects of UV rays. Promote skin lightening. Honey draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. This added hydration gives the skin a fresh, youthful glow and suppleness, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Improves the facial blood circulation. Before applying on the skin, it should be cleaned well. Apply on the face and leave it for 20 minutes. Removes tanning. Skin brightening. It helps removes minor hyperpigmentation and spots, age, black, or acne spots. It helps to remove blackheads and whiteheads. Hydrates skin. Leave it for 20 minutes. These packs are extremely beneficial in maintaining oil levels in the skin. Wash it off twice a week.